Hello, friends. We're actually going to go back to think about when we were first learning to add in first grade, and we found something like this, like the spring of first grade, where somebody said 7 plus 8. We recognize now, it's 15, but remember decomposing 7, where you said 7 was 5 plus 2 plus 8, so in other words, you're looking to find that friendly 10, because you know that 2 plus 8 makes 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Well, that friendly 10, it looks a little different with fractions. We call it the friendly half. So instead of finding a 10, you're finding a half. Let me show you what I mean. So often when you see fractions, we immediately think of a common denominator, which is correct, because we want to be adding the same portions. But why not think about it this way? When we see halves, if I already have 1 half, we know that 4/8 plus 1/8 is 5/8. Isn't 4/8 the same as 1 half? So a friendly way to do this, 1 half plus 1 half, we know is 1 whole. We still have our 1/8 left, so wouldn't the answer be 1 and 1/8? So again, by using the 1 half, the friendly 1 half, we're decomposing 5/8 into a 1 half plus what's left, and then that way we're making it a little bit friendlier to work with. Let me give you another example. Think about 3/6 plus 9/16. Well, again, 3/6, which we know to be 1 half. Again, 9/16. Well, isn't that 8/16 plus 1/16? We know 8/16 to be 1 half. That gives us our 1 whole, so 1 and 1/16. Again, letting the half be the benchmark that allows us to just work with the numbers in a little friendlier way. Another way to look at it is when we think about a whole. Let's look at it that way. So if we're looking at 3/8 plus 3/4, and we think to ourselves, well, 3/4 is only 1/4 away from 1 whole. Well, we know that 2/8 plus 1/8 is 3/8, and we know 2/8 is the same as 1/4. So 1/4 plus 3/4 equals our 1 whole. We still have 1/8 left. So again, that requires a little more thinking, because we're looking to find an equivalent fraction in that capacity. So you're looking at it a little similar but different than the other one. But again, the biggest thing is as we're working with fractions, yes, you need to find a common denominator. Yes, that will work every time. But if we want to allow the numbers to be friendly and we want to be able to use just mental math, sometimes these strategies are going to be a friendlier way to do it. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of guidance. Again, please come ask myself or your teacher if you're confused, and hopefully this helped.